Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question of simple interest. This is the part 7. Jessica took a loan of 60,000. She took a loan of this, means borrowed money. This is the principal amount from a bank on 21st June. So 21st June she took a loan and returned money with the interest on 14th November. So this is the period from here to here of same year means within the same years. Okay, the rate of simple interest was 8% per annum. Okay, so this is rate, wherever rate, so r, this is r, this is the time period, this is principal. How long did she take to return the money? Okay, so you have to find out the time. What was the interest? SI you have to find the amount she paid back, amount you have to find. So what you all have given, you make a note. P equal to 60,000. Okay, R equal to 8%. Okay, how long T, how long will okay, what was the interest? Simple interest. SI you have to find the amount she paid, amount equal to E, you have to find. So you will have to count the period, Jessica's loan period from 21st June to 14th November. So from 21st June to 14th of November. How many days? June. 21st to 30, 9 days. July 31, August 31, September 30, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. June, July, August, September, October. और नवंबर में हाउ मेनी डेज? 14 days. तो नवंबर का 14 days, 14 till 14 number, you add it. So you add all these things, so you will count the days. So 1 1 2 1 3 4 7 9 16 को 6 कैरी आया 1 1 1 2 3 5 3 8 3 11 3 14. So 146 days she took. So how many days she took? 146 days. Jessica took 146 days to return the money. So pehla question, the first answer is how long did she take to return the money? So 146 days she took to return the money. She took 146 days. So Jessica took 146 days to return money. Okay, now further, what was the interest? So we will have to count the interest. Before that, see, we for 146 days you just convert into years. So how 146 upon, so 365. So 146 upon 365 year, 146 days. Once you will convert into year, so you will find this 165 upon 3 146 upon 365, 146 upon 365 years. So this is ultimately 1 year 365 days. Okay, in 1 year. So 146 days, 146 upon 365 years. So after that, SI का formula, you know what is the formula of SI? SI का formula is P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so P principal is 60,000 into R 8, T 146 upon 100, 146 upon 365. So this you have to solve. Ultimately 2 0 से 2 0 cancels. So 6 4 10 11 3 से नहीं कटेगा, 3 से जाएगा, 3 6 9 5 5 11 14 नहीं जाएगा 3 से. Okay, 5 से 5 7 जा 35, 1 5 3 जा 15, 120. ओके, सो 120 इतना 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 120 12 8 96 960 इंटू 146 अपॉन 73, 960 into 146 upon 73, so it will become, so divide करेंगे, multiply, so this will come, so 73 divided, अच्छा ये 3 73 2 जा 2 3 जा 6 7 2 7 3 2 जा, so 962 जा 20 को 0 2 6 12 कैरी आया 1 2 9 18 1 19 1920. This will be the 1920. So this is the calculation 1920. So 1920 rupees will be the SI for the same. So amount will Jessica will pay, what amount she will pay? 60,000 plus 1920. This is the SI. This is SI. SI would be this. So 1920 61,920 rupees she will pay after this. So this is one of the beautiful question. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.